special love. I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Morning guys, it's Lisa Lovely. I am here. Welcome to My Plus One. If this is your first time, if this is your second, third, fourth time, you know how this is like. This is like how Jamaicans are. If you come for the first time, you're a visitor. The second time you come, you family. So we don't need to like give you the tour. But welcome again. If you haven't done it already, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share it with your family and friends, and let's go. It's another morning. It's Saturday morning. Dan is downstairs with the baby. I've already bathed. I took out my hair. I'm gonna do something with it. Like when I'm at work, I like to do like low maintenance stuff. Like I try not to do it in like ponytails, especially like now. I'm having some postpartum thinning, if you've noticed. So I try to do like some like low maintenance stuff, so I'm not constantly combing it. And then I have my surgical scrub, my surgical hats on when I'm at work. So you know, like when I come home, I either can like wash it or like I already styled it from yesterday. So I took it out this morning. I'm gonna probably do some twists, some like fat twists, some you know, some chunky twists later. But that's later because I have work to do. Dan is downstairs cooking breakfast. You know, people are probably going like, oh my gosh, you cook breakfast? No, but Dan is like amazing at breakfast. It's 4th of July actually, to date this. So he wanted steak and eggs. So he's doing that right now. I'm going to go downstairs, clean up a little, and get the day running. Because like I said, I have work to do. And I got a little done last night. I didn't show you all that, but I got a little done last night. I'm going to try to get some more done today. The baby is sleeping, so let's get it done. All right? Let's get it done. You know, like I keep saying, let's get it done. You know, I think a lot of people think my plus one is the baby. The baby is not my plus one. It's actually my husband. So he is seasoning up. You want to say hi? This is my plus one.
I am not competing with the baby, okay? I am not competing with the
That's
baby.
my plus one. All right. He is cooking breakfast. The stove is like cooking up a storm, guys.
Yo, check that cake out.
Yeah, he bought some cake. Let's see. Can you see it's a hamburger?
My wife is a weirdo who hates Publix cake, so this is gonna be a new experience for her.
Yeah.
But it's America.
America. Proud
And
to
it's
be
the most
American.
American thing ever. The most American sandwich there is. A burger. A burger cake.
Is it like a turkey burger?
No,
Like a turkey
no,
beef
that's
burger?
not American. This is all beef.
All beef. All beef is American.
Yeah. Beef is what's for dinner.
And then this
Actually,
is the other. Can you see who's playing? Let's see. Let's see if you can see it.
This is the cherry, so
Yes. That's the cheer me up.
Yeah.
Is Manu.
you might actually get it out of like 9th place.
And he's so mean when it comes to like
Yeah, so
Premier
the
League,
chocolate.
man. He wants to describe
burger,
the cake.
The burger is chocolate, and the rest of the patty is vanilla.
Okay, that sounds cool.
Yeah.
He knows I'm bougie and I only eat Fresh Market or Whole Foods cake. So that's why he's saying that. But I do eat a Publix cake. It's just I'm picky. I'm a little like picky when it comes to cake. But like I said, he's in here cooking up a storm. Because the baby's down. It's like let's try to do as much as you can. But to the new moms out there, just like, you know, rest when the baby rests. I understand that. But it's also like when Dan is here, I'm like, this is another set of hands. So, you know,
I hope you're not getting me in my drawers.
No, you're not in your drawers. They can't see that. Only I could see that.
Okay.
But you know, we wanted to go on a walk. That's why I left the stroller out. But you know, time flies when you're having fun.
You cook it in your underwear, right?
He claims cooking is
Ask
better
them.
when you're in your underwear. Is that true? Like one time I was like, I'm gonna be sexy and cook for him in like, it wasn't even lingerie, it was like a crop top and like shorts, and I burned my stomach. So I don't do that, but maybe I just did it wrong. But he's in his home clothes right now, his underwear home clothes. So it's cleanup time.
The food already?
Breakfast time. Steak and eggs. And croissants I started eating already.
There's more croissant though.
There's more. This little boy said, forget your work. We're gonna stay outside. The backyard is hot, even with the umbrella shade. The front of the house is still hot, but it's better. It's extremely hot outside, but he wants to sit outside. I bring him inside, he starts to cry. Take him outside. He's loving it. Like literally, he's an outdoor person. So mommy's gonna sweat outside, and her hair's gonna frizz until baby falls asleep. Usually he's sleeping at this time, so I fed him and gave him some boob. And he still is like, yeah, I don't want to be inside. So we're out here in the hot Florida sun, but we're in the front of the house instead of the back of the house, because like I said, the back of the house, I'm not that good about like, east facing house, I don't know all that stuff, but it's hot in the back. It's like ridiculously hot in the back, and then it's just like very hot. It's very hot in the front, ridiculously hot in the back. So that's why we're in the front of the house on a fold-out chair until baby is ready to go back inside. Yay! Yay! Yes, he's very happy right now. When he was inside, he was like bawling for no reason, because it's like he's not hungry. He literally just wants to be outside and like look at all, the trees and listen to the birds. So turns out it's an outdoor day. He wants to be entertained by the outside. Right? Right. It's Kellen's 2 o'clock feeding. He's falling asleep. I'm gonna put him to sleep as soon as I can. And I'm gonna finish watching The Dangerous Animal, The Most Dangerous Animal of All, on Hulu. Wanted to watch this when it came on FX, so I'm really excited I can watch it now. He's been really cranky. We think he's teething. Yeah, he's 4 months, but we think he's teething already. So he's been a grumpalump. Yeah, and I'm like tired now, and I still got like nothing done. I cleaned up a little, but there's still more to do. You like the camera? Yes. Yeah, he's been teething, so he's been quite miserable. I've been giving him the cold pacifiers, stuff like that, but he's still kind of like, blah, One second he's like, giggly, the next second he's like, blah, So, been trying my best to soothe him. Yes, and Kellen. Hello, Baba. Yeah. The night is winding down. It is the 4th. I hope Disney's doing Disney usually does like a 4th of July celebration. If not, whatever station has something. I'm just gonna check that out. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wipe him down, put him in some PJs. I'm gonna shower, put myself in some PJs, and get ready for tonight's festivities. So if I don't come back, we probably fell asleep. Fell asleep. You feel accomplished when you put them to sleep. Baby, where's the fireworks? guys, I got another thing accomplished. Yeah, these are the chunky twists. Not very glamorous, but I'm trying my best to save my hairline, keep my edges, because I do have the postpartum hair loss. So I'm just happy that I got accomplished, you know, like one more thing accomplished for the day. I'm trying to edit this video and the other videos that I've had that I've just never been able to like actually do. So if he's sleeping now, I might, this might not be very smart, but I might pull an all-nighter. We'll see how that goes. If I pull an all-nighter, then I can get some more videos up. I just want to edit the intro again. You know, I was happy that he seemed to enjoy the fireworks that the neighbors are putting on. At least I know he won't be afraid of fireworks. You know, you never know if a baby's gonna be afraid of fireworks until they're around them. They're not Disney-like kaboom fireworks, but they were pretty loud, and he tolerated them pretty well. So that's another check on development. That I hope he's, you know, he doesn't seem to be like afraid of a lot of things. Things will be like, you know, startle him, but he doesn't, like, he's not like really afraid of anything. So that's always, you know, good to know that we can take him to Disney or some type of like fireworks celebration and he won't freak out. I won't need to buy those like earmuffs that you see the kids wearing at the parks and stuff. So let me finish editing. Like I said, in my mind, I'm like, I'm gonna pull on all-nighter. Might not be the smartest thing, but I'm gonna try it tonight.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.